The Granite Ridge, our underlayment needs to meet the ASTM D 1970 requirements. You can go ahead and put a layer underneath, a half sheet underneath your starter strip, and then come over the top with that first layer of that D 1970. So what we want to do is we want to make sure we chalk our line across, because this is where we start a straight line. So make sure I chalk that line to get my starter strip straight, so that first row locks in and it's going to keep everything nice and straight. So once we get that line chalked, we'll come back in with our starter strip. You can see just wrapping my corners at my rake 1 inch. And then when we bring these together, you can see just one way to do it is to go ahead and notch your first starter strip on the front edge, and then notch the top one on the top here, and then they'll slide into each other. That way we keep everything going over the top and keep our fish mouth open as well. So once we get that on, make sure we're tight with our chalk line, and then we're going to fasten every 16 inches. You might need to do more depending on your code, and then we'll go ahead and bring that layer over the top of that starter strip. When doing our rake with Granite Ridge, we're going to come back with our rake roof to wall. You can see I can close off my ends here at the end. And then we're going to fasten on the outside every 16 inches or more if your code requires. So once we bring this in, we're going to overhang my starter strip 3/4 of an inch, and then we can go ahead and go flush, or we can go about 1/8 of an inch in, depending on how straight that rake is. So once we get our overhang, then we'll come back and fasten the outside. And then fasten every 16 going up the roof. Then we'll come back with our rake cover. And you can see it's got a hook on the side here, so we're going to hook that rake roof wall. We'll go ahead and fold over your ends to make it a good clean cut on the ends. And then we'll go ahead and hook that. And then we'll fasten on the outside. Once again, every 16 inches or more if the code calls for more.